Hi, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to break down a beautiful TikZ diagram made using LaTeX and Overleaf. Let's go step by step and understand what each part of this code does. Here we use the article class and load TikZ package, which is essential for driving graphics. The pgfplots package is also loaded in case we need advanced plotting features. This starts Ticket's diagram canvas. Everything inside Ticket's picture is what will be drawn. Next, we draw the x-axis and y-axis. One horizontal axis is labeled by x1 and one vertical y-axis labeled by x2. X2, sorry. The arrows go slightly beyond this origin to give a good visual layout. Now we label three key vector points. These are red text label placed at specific coordinates represent the function values at point A, T, and B. Now comes the smooth green curve which represents a function or path. This part draws a smooth curve path using Bezier curves. The controls parts define how the curve bends between the points. It's a nice way to show a vector valued function. Next, we highlight specific points on the curve, and the backslash fill commands draw small green circles at those coordinates, marking the starts, middle, and end of the curve. Finally, we draw a black line segment. This draws a polygonal path between 3 points, maybe showing a linear approximation secant line, or just connecting important points. That's it. This diagram is great for illustrating vector functions, paths, or calculus concept in multivariable mathematics using LaTeX and TKS. Friends, thanks for listening me and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share, like, and comment. Okay.